Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take 4K videos in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. You can shoot 4K video with 30 FPS, 30 frames or up to 60 frames you can record with 4K. Okay. First go to the camera and go to video mode. If you are taking video now, this will be by default 1080 pixel. Okay, see here, go to the settings of the camera here and go to this icon. Okay, this icon is showing that see it in the close 1080p. Okay, if you click it and you will see settings 1080p full HD. FHD means full HD, 30 FPS, 30 frame per second. Okay, by default it is set to 1080 full HD. If you want to use 4K, now you would like to use 4K, so you have to keep it on 4K. Click on 4K. This is Ultra HD. Okay, full HD, and then above full HD it is Ultra HD, and 30 FPS is selected. Okay, so if you shoot video hereafter it will be 4K with 30 FPS. See here, I record this video. This video is of 4K with 30 FPS. Okay, and again go here, and if you would like to increase frame per second, that is you can select other option 60 fps, but if you select 60 fps, so it automatically goes to 1080 pixel. So 4K with 60 fps is not possible. Already before I told you can take up to 60 fps, but it's not that. Sorry for that. For 4K it is only supported 30 fps. Okay, if you choose 60 fps, 4K is disabled and it goes back to 1080 pixel. Okay, so if you want to record a 4K video, use this function 4K with 30 fps, and it will be very useful for recording high quality, ultra quality video in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.